Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a breaded coconut chicken breast and I'm going to do it pan fry. And it's very tasty and super delicious. For 4 chicken breasts I washed it black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, garlic powder, ginger powder and salt. Each one of them half teaspoon. And these ingredients are strictly optional. Garam masala, baking powder, amchur which is mango powder, ground nutmeg, cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon each. To make it hot and spicy, 1 teaspoon red chili flake and 1 teaspoon cilantro. 1/4 cup potato starch and 1/4 cup all-purpose flour which is maida. If you don't have the potato starch, you always can use corn starch. After the egg wash coating, we're going to use a coconut and it's going to give us a nice breaded coconut chicken breast. If you don't have it, you always can use breadcrumb. And let's get started. With the help of fork, first thing we're going to mix all the spices. Once it's nicely mixed, set it aside. I'll bring potato starch and all-purpose flour. And with the help of fork, we're going to mix it well. And we're going to set it aside. We're going to get another plate and we're going to place coconut. So that's going to be our breaded coconut chicken breast coating. So we'll set it aside. We're going to beat the eggs really good. Since we have a big size of chicken breast, what I'm going to do, I'll cut right in the middle. Put your hand up and then just run your knife through. And we're not going to cut the chicken breast all the way. We're going to cut it all the way up here. As I can show it to you, this is the way it's going to look. So we're going to make a nice butterfly. Finish up cutting all these. The next step will be, I'm going to use the plastic food wrap to place chicken breast on top of the wrap. Fold the other side, just like that. I'm going to use meat masher. If you have it, it's really good. If you don't have it, then you can use a rolling pin or big heavy ladle. So we're going to flatten it out. So once it's nicely flattened, then I'm going to use this side. So we all done. I'll open the wrap. Nice, thin, flattened. And I'm going to finish up all of these the same way. All the ingredients are ready. The egg is beaten, dry flour mixture is ready, and the coconut is ready, and chicken breast. We're going to place chicken breast right on top of the spices, just like that. We're going to lift it up. We're going to place it on the other side. As you see, it's nicely coated on both sides. Now we're going to put it into the flour coating. Place it and then flip it over. Just like that. Once it's nicely coated, so I'm going to give egg wash. We're going to dip it once. With the help of fork, I'm going to lift it up. Look at how perfectly nicely coated. We're going to place it in coconut breaded chicken breast. Look at how beautiful, perfectly, it's nicely coated. So this is the way it's gonna look. Perfect. And now I'm going to place it in separate tray. I'm going to keep continuing doing that. All pieces are coated nicely and now we're going to cook them. And let's go to our gas. Get a big fry pan and I'll start gas. And we're going to keep the gas on high. And I'm going to bring olive oil. You can use any oil and I'll use like 1 tablespoon. I'm going to make sure that all the bottom is coated nicely. And now I'm going to bring the gas on medium. And we're going to cook the chicken breast on medium gas. So chicken breasts are ready and they are so big and huge, we're going to use 2 at a time. Place these Just like that. And we're going to cook them on medium gas. 3 minutes on this side, then we're going to turn them over, cooking for 3 minutes. And now I'm going to turn it over on other side. Nice color. And we're going to turn over this one too. And now we're going to cook 3 minutes on this side. Cooking for 3 minutes on this side. Now I'm going to turn them over. It's nice crisp. Oh, looks so delicious. Look at these. Perfect. And now we're going to cook 2 minutes on this side. Then cooking another 2 minutes on this side. Now I'm going to turn them over. Look at these. Perfect. So we're going to cook 2 more minutes on this side, then I'm going to dish out. Another 2 minutes of cooking, altogether 10 minutes. I'm going to turn off the gas. You can take it out right now, but I'm going to leave it another 1 minute on this, so it can cool down a little bit. Wow, looking so delicious. I have my serving platter ready. Oh, look at this. They are so big, huge. Perfect. I'm going to start the gas again. And we're going to bring the gas on a medium. We're going to cook it the same way. Our delicious coconut breaded chicken breast cooked in pan. They are so delicious and so tasty. Please try it and you're going to like it. And if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.